وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
We have made this Quran simple and clear as a light of guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, today we are discussing Arabic dental alveolar plosives in this lesson. Let's begin. Dear learners, when we place our tongue behind the upper teeth and at alveolar ridge or at root of the upper front teeth and stop the air, and release it gently, it creates these two sounds while making a minor explosion.
Ta, the, ta, in English, taura, the, some people call it David, Dawood, while in Arabic, Dawood, it's the, it's not the. Anyhow, the two sounds are ta, the. Ta is strong and voiceless sound,
In a voiceless sound, the vocal cords do not vibrate,
and the is voiced and weak sound.
whereas in a voiced sound, the vocal cords vibrate. A strong sound has a stronger burst of air, while a weak sound has a softer burst of air. Dear learners, now we are going to apply short vowels pattern on these sounds.
Ta, te, to.
Come to long vowels pattern. In long vowels, we double the vowels to give strength and stress to sound.
A, ta, I, ti, u, tu.
Now let's come to the second vowel.
Da, de, do.
Dear learners, now come to the long vowels.
A, da, I, di, u, du.
Arabic word for team is,
Team,
while worm is called.
dude.
Both these sounds are dental alveolar plosives. Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.